Badness. Badness.
Fully.
Badness.
What?
When you know about the badness.
Yo, Taz.
Badness.
All are you okay?
Badness.
Uptown.
Badness. Starboy Taz.
Kayla, stop playing. Kayla, that's you.
Welcome to ll3d TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, and lioness. Big up on yourself. Welcome to ll3d TV. Yeah, man, I want love and blessings, just a guidance and protection. Give thanks to life. Easter, Saturday, you know what I mean? Big up all who celebrate Easter, who support it, you know what I mean? Big up who could have find the bun and chase. And who, I don't know, big up on yourself. Life is the greatest. Be grateful for the little that you have. Yeah, man, big up Poor People Production Studio, Man of Peace Studio, in a Painland. See it?
Badness. Badness.
Fully.
Badness.
What?
When you know about the badness.
Yo, Taz.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, coming up in this episode, we have Prettidon. I call out Kayla, and you don't know, Shelly and Coran. And I mean, and I prove with some receipts who the baby father is or might be. No, I miss that.
Badness.
All are you okay?
Badness.
Uptown.
Badness. Starboy Taz.
We are some popular vlogger lost him 3 points. Means up. You know what I mean?
Badness. When you know about the badness. Wait, let me teach you who know about the badness.
I mean, yes, I'm going to run through this bad song. I want to say a cheap in, cheap out. You know, fully bad. And Starboy Taz, London and Jamaica, Gully side link up. See? Big up yourself right there, yeah man. We have
everything on ll3d TV, fully balanced. Mikey Bashman, the balance master, that ll3d TV to the universe.
Yes, welcome back. Big up yourself, Mikey Bashment. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, click the bell. The door is always open. Please consider doing so. Help the channel grow. Yeah man, right now we have popular vlogger Prettidon, who will burn our fire, speak our mind, tell her the truth or the factual how it is. And I mean, who don't like it, bite it. Right now she call out Kayla and Shelly and Coran. You know what I mean? And the baby situation. Zine, so it look like she have proof and she have receipts. Zine, so you can go over Prettidon page, go watch where I go on. But me just grab a little piece to show you, and then you know, give my little 2 pence, as me always I say. It need to work out for the best for the baby. So here Prettidon I say.
Kayla, stop playing. Kayla, that's you. See ya? See ya, Kayla. See your baby father there. Oh, then I see how the little boy look just like Zan. Me say you cuss Zan from now till the morning. But every one of the youth them where you can show the pitney do not look like Akel. Anybody who say that little boy look like Akel, is a fucking liar. That little pitney do not look like Bobby Six. He no look like none of the Whittaker them. And the whole of the Whittaker them look alike. None of them!
Hey, Prettidon have a voice. None of them! You tell us the voice catch you and Prettidon get mad, you know. But anyway, fun and joke aside, yes, Prettidon has shown receipts of Kayla and the brother named Zan. Zine, like the brother named Zan reached out to Prettidon and give her some receipt proof for him up on him phone with visuals of him and her in a bedroom and them in the lie down, and around the same time when she got pregnant and whatever. Zine, so they must have the baby in a favor Likkle Addi, more favor Zan. Zine, and if I notice Shelly and them did I say the baby favor Shorty, them now say favor the father and Likkle Addi. So as I say, Prettidon have all the receipts of what they have the DNA show say probability 0.000% of Likkle Addi being the father. Zine, so them Kayla need to come out and do the right thing. You know what I mean? Do a DNA with Zan if she has been involved with him and make sure they work out the best way, because the youth need to know him father and rightful biological father, you see me? Yes, I hope it work out for the best for the baby. You know what I mean? It's not right, it's not fair if you put on a jacket for a man. Do the proper DNA and follow the correct procedures, and the right father get to know him son or him daughter. Let me know what you think, my viewers and subscribers.
Lift up anything when me see inside. The way me dog them a move like a gully side.
Yes, I know we're going to talk about the blogger who got killed in an explosive attack. You know what I mean? Yes, the Russian vlogger, not Jamaican. Zin, so his name was Vladimir Tartarsky, whose real name was Maxim Fomin, who has more than 560,000 subscribers to his Telegram channel and was meeting supporters and subscribers in the restaurant. So his name was Maxim Fomin, but he changed his name. According to local news outlet Frontanka, an unknown woman handed Tartarsky a statuette of himself, possibly stuffed with explosive, that exploded about 5 minutes later. The Rent TV channel posted a video showing Tartarsky taking the figurine out of the bag and looking at it. Film alleged and shot by a social media user directly before the explosions. So basically a woman walked up and animal box with a statue of him, you know. So posted that was one of his fans. So like him opened it and 5 minutes later exploded and gone. So these are the visuals me are showing. See the lady walk in the building. She walk in the building where Tartarsky was meeting his fans and them thing there. And you can see a picture of him in the background and him talk, you know what I mean? And he's a vlogger for Russia. He was filming all the war in Russia, you know what I mean? And you know Russia attack Ukraine, you see me? So after see the explosions, that's the explosion, you know, the place boom up, you see me? So it was a direct hit at him, and I saw them country their work, you see me? And like Jamaica we shoot out and go on with them bagger sitting, you see it? So basically I saw it go like he was a target. Where him do him go around, he was covering the war in Ukraine, filming it, talking about it. So he was a Russian vlogger, and him changed his name to Tartarsky, you see me? So I saw it going now. The vlogging world is a very dangerous world. Worse if you take cover war and crime and violence and I show your face and them things. Now we see why, you know, Serpy, you know, hide him face. And you know, Lionfoot, we not touch certain platforms, certain topics on my channel. The only thing I will talk about is peace and love, crying for peace. See, so rest in peace to the vlogger there, you see me? Yes man, and vloggers, be aware, be wise, and how you bring across your content on the platform. Yes man, I say it. Yes man. So let me know what you think, my viewers and subscribers. So now we're gonna shed some light on Starboy Taz and Fully Bad song, Badness. Zen? Yeah man.
All of me dogs about the badness. Them not talk too much, I just badness. When you know about the badness, wait. Let me teach you who know about the badness.
So that's recording artist Starboy Taz. I bet you know say badness, all about the badness, and the man go link up with Fully Bad. So you know some mad bad sitting.
All of me dogs about the badness. Them not talk too much, I just badness. Lift up anything when me see inside. The way me dogs them a move like a gully side. Tire who that a move in a corner. That dog them vicious like piranha.
Yeah man, we got the whole of grand spend man. Starboy Taz say, yo, I just badness, you know, no time for no talking thing, you know, you see me? Yes man, gully side. I would have to move in a corner. Bullet.
Mask on like they say they suffer with the COVID. NASA, them not run joke like a Will Smith. Fully Bad bring pneumatic. Everybody have been running in a panic.
Yo, the man say, yo, him friend them sick like them suffer with the COVID. Man not run joke like Will Smith. You see me? Fully Bad bring pneumatic. While them have to lift up and run in a panic. Yes, man.
When me touch a yard, cause I have a piece of me place when me go abroad. Everything nice that I eat dog. And me not take talk. Anybody violate, then them have to get it before it dog.
Yeah, man, Starboy Taz say when him touch a yard, cause I have a piece of place. When him touch a brother, different sitting. You see me? He not take talk. Boy, violate them, I forget it before it dark.
Creep up with the gang, them one by one in a bush, coming like ambush. Everybody have to run, everybody have to hide. Where they see the sing right.
Hey, Starboy Taz a British, but the man make you know say, yo, a yard sitting, yard thing, you know, yard flex, you know. You see me, the man say, you creep up on them with the gang in a bush. Come like an ambush. Boy, you have to run and boy, you have to hide when the thing they rise, you know. Oh, you think of chattings? Darkness, badness. From Cassava Piece to Pienland. Oh, whole of London.
Badness, when you know about the badness, wait. Let me teach you who know about the badness.
Yes, man, a Starboy Taz, I deliver him first verse. Let me know what you think about him performance, him delivery, everything, and the music, visuals, him action, you know what I mean? Big up Starboy Taz. Now we are turned to Fully Bad. You're Fully Bad, I deal with the badness.
Cause we no skin it, we no grint it. From your this way a 6 feet, you a live fit. Cassava we no bring pace, bring a 16, but they look like mincemeat, should no bring beef.
Yo, you're Fully Bad coming, madman, you're the flow, the man say, yo. We not skin teeth, we not green teeth. From here, this you know 6 feet, you will live feet. Cassava bring the 16. We not bring peace. You see me? Body look like mince meat. Shouldn't bring beef. You know, hear the metaphor and the style? Body look like mince beef. Mince meat. Mince. Don't bring the beef.
Yeah, brawling we do it, everybody know I'm a big dirty J come and put them ghost pan it. Marrow and ground spend shell a float pan it. Man fly out them bat relax and boast pan it.
Hey, I want to get fully body, you know, the man style, flow, melody, mad. You see me, the man say, brawling, him do him knockings, you know. Yes, man. You see me, him do him knockings and dirt, boy, and go boast and celebrate after, you know. One big spliff and that dragon.
UK badness, uptown badness, lone long broom with pan clip. Yeah, pull up and take gun clone of this. How you call that badness?
Yes, man, UK badness, uptown badness, big up the four corner UK, you know, east, west, north, south, you know, big up the real G, them, you see it? Lone badness, madness.
Book, yak, the brown in puke. Yeah, ball jack on my foot. God, oh God, everybody run, go look. My skull top steam like you cook. What you call that? Badness.
Yes, man, alone badness, man. Fully bad, you're too bad, you know, you're too grimy, you know. The man say, yuk, yak, the brown in puke. Boy, your eyeball drop out of ground. And you see me, everybody around can look. No, sir. Viewers and subscribers, I don't know the song name badness. Starboy Taz and Fully Bad. See? Yeah, man, you can leave the links on you can watch the official video with no interruption. See? But you don't know this is a review, let me know. See? And the song where I know. Big up the whole London, the whole Jamaica, the whole cassava piece, Painland. So me I say, Roddy, Harry, big up yourself. Yeah, man. So we see if I see greatness, we share the joy. See? Yes, man, and you don't know badness. Yes, man, so let me know what you think about the Prettidon, what she the receipt them that she disclosed that Likkle Addi is not the daddy. You see me? And also the vlogger, the Russian vlogger who lost his life. Yeah, man. Big up, I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth. And remember, check out the studio in a Painland. Zed? Yes, man. Poor People Production Studio. Man of Peace Studio. One Plan Studio. Effercentric Studio. Yeah, man. A unit we say share the joy, share the food. A lion foot. And I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.